Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hardhat and reset node_modules, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the project directory where Hardhat is installed. Confirm you're in the correct directory by typing pwd on macOS or Linux. On Windows, use cd to navigate and echo %cd% to confirm. Next, you need to uninstall Hardhat. Type npm uninstall savedev Hardhat in the terminal. This command removes Hardhat from your project. Once the uninstallation is complete, it's time to reset the node_modules folder. To do this, first, you'll want to delete the existing node_modules directory. You can type rmrf node_modules on macOS or Linux. If you're on Windows, use rmdir/s/q node_modules. After removing the node_modules folder, you also need to delete the packagelock.json file. Use rm packagelock.json on macOS or Linux. For Windows, type del packagelock.json. Now, your project environment is clean. To reinstall your dependencies, type npm install. This command will create a new node_modules folder and install all required packages. Once the installation is complete, verify that everything is working correctly. You can check your Hardhat setup by running npx Hardhat. This ensures all components are properly configured. If Hardhat prompts you, you have successfully reset your installation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.